the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, or the DGCA, has decided to reduce Indigo's flights by 5%. That's the latest development in Indigo chaos. Indigo operates approximately 2,200 flights on a daily basis. Remember, now approximately 110 flights are going to be reduced on a daily basis. According to official sources, the airline has been informed of this, and a list of the flights that will be reduced is being prepared at the moment. Once Indigo is fully compliant with FDTL requirements, the routes may be returned to the airline or the carrier. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us live on the broadcast to provide us more details there. Sabyasachi, definitely not a good news for Indigo over there by being reduced by 5% as far as the number of flights on a daily basis are concerned. Provide us more context on that, please.
Well, that's right, Sakshi. See, it's a major decision that has been taken by the DGCA to cut the scheduling of Indigo by around 5%. See, the Indigo operates around 2,200 flights every single day. Now, a cut of 5% of the scheduling means 110 flights will be affected. Now, this decision has been taken because Indigo has not been able to operate the flights because whether it is the month of October or in the month of November in 2025, it had been seen by the DGCA that several flights of the Indigo were cancelled. Now, in comparison to the last year, the DGCA saw that Indigo had been operating more flights. Now, under these circumstances, clearly it shows that Indigo has been not capable to handle this many flights, and that is the reason why this decision has been taken by the ministry to cut short in Indigo's scheduling by 5% in the busy routes, which will see less congestion. And now these 5% scheduling and routes will be given to the other stakeholders. Now, once Indigo compliance as far as the FDTL rules, then this cut of 5% scheduling will be back with Indigo. Now, I have the document that the DGCA has released. Now, the DGCA says that Indigo's winter schedule 2025 was approved for about 64,346 flights in November 2025. However, based on the data that Indigo had submitted, the Indigo actually operated 59,438 flights in November, and they had 951 flights cancelled for that month. Now, Indigo was also given permission to increase its schedule more flights for the winter 2025 because they were supposed to have 403 aircraft, but in reality, the airline could only operate 339 aircraft in October and 444 aircraft in the month of November. And that is the reason why the DGCA has decided that Indigo is not able to operate the increased number of flights efficiently, and the DGCA think that the airline is over-scheduling, planning more flights than it can actually handle. So the DGCA has ordered the Indigo to reduce its schedule by 5% across all sectors, especially busy, high-demand routes, to reduce disruption. Now, Indigo, the DGCA has also asked Indigo, Sakshi, to submit a revised schedule plan to the DGCA by 10th of this month, and as per the revised submission of the scheduling plan by Indigo, the DGCA will take a further decision. Meanwhile, the crack on the Indigo is still going on because the DGCA, apparently what we learned from the sources is that very soon the committee, the 4-member committee which has been formed by the Ministry of Civil Aviation and the DGCA. Now, this committee very soon will be summoning the CEO and other management of the Indigo for questioning. Now, yesterday the Indigo had submitted its response, but somewhere they have just cited around 4 to 5 factors which have affected this crisis. But the DGCA, clearly from the sources, is not happy with the kind of statement with the kind of answer that has been given by Indigo, and that is the reason why very soon we are going to see more crackdown from the DGCA and the Ministry of Civil Aviation as far as Indigo is concerned.
Sabyasachi, amidst all of that, what about, passengers, safety, passengers, bookings and the kind of distress that they are going through at the moment? What about those 110 flights that we are expecting to get cancelled have already been booked, that too fully by the passengers? What kind of relief are they going to get out of it?
See, Sakshi, it's something the flight won't get cancelled immediately. Now, this particular decision has been taken by the DGCA because Indigo somewhere has not been able to operate these flights. Now, the data that has been given by the Indigo to the DGCA in the month of November or in the month of October itself, the data clearly shows that the Indigo has not been able to operate properly, and despite the promises that they have made to the Ministry of Civil Aviation or to the DGCA, they in fact have increased the number of flights since last year as far as the winter season is concerned, but clearly they have failed to operate because of a huge gap as far as the flight ratio and the pilot ratio is concerned. And that is the reason why this 5% scheduling, this 5% routes will be given to the other stakeholders, where the passengers, the travelers would not face any inconvenience. Now, these 5% scheduling will be focused on the busy routes where usually the flights gets cancelled. Now, in the entire order, the DGCA has put out all the numbers which has been provided by the Indigo to them. Now, they have been advised that by 10th, that is tomorrow, they have to submit a revised winter season plan to the DGCA, and accordingly further decision will be taken. Now, as far as the passengers are concerned, see, Indigo have been strictly told by the ministry that they have to return all the luggages to the passengers. They have to provide all the refunds to the passengers. Yesterday, over 800 crore refunds have been provided to the passenger. Around 4,000, more than 4,500 luggage also have been given to the passenger. And by today, the entire luggage will be given to the passengers of the Indigo crisis.
All right, Sabyasachi, thank you so much for providing us more details on that breaking news coming in with regards to Indigo conundrum.